Ever wonder how your streaming service predicts your next favorite show, or why your favorite snack is always on sale? That's data analytics at work. It's like being a detective for numbers, finding patterns in raw data to answer real-world questions. Data analytics transforms messy information into stories that help businesses, scientists, and even you make smarter decisions. Every click, swipe, or purchase adds a piece to a massive digital puzzle. Without analytics, all this data would be meaningless noise. By analyzing it, we turn chaos into insights, helping hospitals predict busy times, companies improve products, and coffee shops boost sales. Imagine running a coffee shop. With data analytics, you can discover your busiest hours or which pastry pairs best with lattes. Then use that knowledge to make better decisions. It's about asking the right questions and finding answers hidden in the data. In today's world, understanding data isn't just for experts. It's a vital skill for everyone. Data analytics is your map and compass in the information age. It helps you navigate the ocean of data around us. And that's the real power behind the numbers. Data analytics comes in 4 main types, each answering a different question. Descriptive analytics asks, what happened? Like a report showing last month's sales. Diagnostic analytics digs deeper. Why did it happen? Maybe sales dropped because of a new competitor. Predictive analytics looks ahead. What's likely to happen? Using past trends to forecast next week's coffee sales. Prescriptive analytics goes further. What should we do about it? Recommending actions, like running a promotion to boost sales. Each type builds on the last, moving from understanding the past to shaping the future. Together, they help businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions. Whether you're running a coffee shop or a global company, these analytics types are your toolkit. That's how data turns into action. The journey starts with a clear question, like, which marketing channel brought us the most new customers under 30 last quarter? Next, gather the right data from sources like databases or website analytics. Then, clean the data, fix errors, fill gaps, and standardize entries. Clean data is essential. Messy data leads to unreliable results. Now, analyze and interpret. Use charts, graphs, and models to find patterns and answer your question. Don't just report numbers. Explain what they mean for the business. Finally, share your insights with clear visuals and recommendations. The process turns questions into actionable answers. It's a cycle of curiosity, analysis, and communication. That's how data analytics drives real change. Every data analyst needs the right tools. Excel is the go-to for sorting, filtering, and visualizing small datasets, perfect for beginners. For bigger data, SQL lets you query databases and pull exactly what you need. Python and R are powerful for advanced analysis, automation, and building predictive models. Python's libraries like pandas and matplotlib make data manipulation and visualization easy. R is built for statistics and data visualization. To present findings, tools like Tableau and powerbi create interactive dashboards and reports. These tools turn complex data into clear, compelling stories. They help analysts communicate insights to any audience. With the right tools, anyone can unlock the power of data. A data analyst's day is all about solving problems, pulling data, cleaning it, analyzing trends, and sharing insights. Big data means working with massive, fast, and varied datasets. Think social media or sensor data. This brings huge opportunities, but also big challenges in storage and analysis. With so much data, ethics and privacy are crucial. Analysts must protect sensitive information, anonymize data, and watch for bias. Responsible data use means asking, is this fair? Is privacy protected? Data analytics blends technical skill, creativity, and ethics. It helps everyone from small businesses to global organizations make better decisions. The journey starts with curiosity and a single question. Behind every chart or prediction, there's a data detective at work. Stay curious. There's a world of stories hidden in the data around us. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment for more videos.